take a look at this problem. We've got 5x squared plus 13x plus 6. Now our first method is GCF. They don't have anything in common, so we start going through our list. X squared x, no x, number in front of our x squared is key number. With the key number, we take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, so the 5 times the 6, and we'd ignore signs if any of them was negative. So 5 times 6 gives us 30. Then we'll build our PSD table. P stands for product. We list all the products give us 30. We got 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. The S stands for sum. We add them together. 1 plus 30 is 31, 2 plus 15 is 17, 3 plus 10 is 13, 5 plus 6 is 11. D stands for difference. We subtract smaller from larger. 30 minus 1 is 29, 15 minus 2 is 13, 10 minus 3 is 7, 6 minus 5 is 1. Now a number we're looking for is a number in a middle term, which is 13. In this problem we got two 13s. Now what I always tell people, if you're learning this for the first time, try one, see if it works. If it doesn't work, it's the other one. Once you get a little bit more comfortable with factoring, then you can look at the sign on our last term and decide which one to use. If this is positive here, then you'll use the one in the S column. If this is a negative on the end, then use the one in the difference column. Since we got a positive here, that means we're going to use the one in the S column. So we're going to use 3 and 10. Now we're going to rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. The larger number that we're using 3 and 10, so a larger number is the 10, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which is positive. So we got a plus 10x. Now for our other number, the 3, the number we circled in the S column, S for same signs, means both positive, both negative. Since the 10 was positive, then the 3 will be positive. So this will be plus 3x. Now we want to use factoring by grouping. So group first two terms together, group the last two terms together. First two terms have a 5 and an x in common, so I factor that out, and that gives us x plus 2. Our second group has a 3 in common, so I factor that out, and that gives us x plus 2. Now our goal was to get this parentheses the same as this parentheses, which they are, so I can factor out an x plus 2. Now to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can come up here and cross out the x plus 2's now. And what isn't crossed out is what goes in your second set of parentheses, which would be 5x plus 3. So our answer is x plus 2 times 5x plus 3.